Hi, this is Miss Levy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a few different division methods so that you can help your child at home with long division. So the first method that I showed the children was the Divvy Out division method. So the first thing we do is we write our division problem. Let's say we have 396 divided by 3. And we talk about what we have first. We know we have 396 jelly beans or pieces of chocolate or whatever it is that we're dividing up, and then we're dividing them into 3 groups. So we put 3 circles up here in the top because that's how many groups we need to divide the 396 into. So then we start out by looking at the hundreds group. So we have 300 here, and so we figure out how many hundreds we would put in each one of the circles. So we say, okay, we have 300, I can put 100 in each group. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 gives us 300. So 3 times 100 is 300, and that's how many we've already used up, so we're going to take those away. And now we have 96 left over. Then we're looking now into the tens place. So we can say, okay, well, how many tens can I take and put into each group, and they have to be equally divided. So maybe it would just be 10 that we would take out. So maybe I'll put 10 in this group, 10 in this group, 10 in this group. So now when I multiply, I've got 10 times 3, that gives me 30, and I've used up 30, and so now I can see how many I have left over. So now I have 66. So as you can see, as kids get better and better as they're figuring out how many can be divided into groups, they might figure out that in the very beginning we could have taken 30 and put 30, 30, 30. But it doesn't matter in this method because they can take out 10, they can take out 20, they can do 15, and then they can little by little keep subtracting to find out how much they have left over. So now we have 66, and I figured out that I can put 20 in each group, 20, 20, 20. And then I multiply my 20 times 3 to find out how many we used up. We used up 60. Now we have 6 left over. So now we're in the ones place, and I figure out how many ones we have left over. So now I'm going to put 2 ones in each group. I multiply my 2 times 3, that gives me 6. And now I've used up every single one of the 396, and we've divided them equally. So now I go back into one group. I add them all up together, 100 plus 10 plus 20 plus 2, and I'm going to put my answer right on top. So I have 132. So 396 divided by 3 gives you 132. So this is the first method that I teach children how to do, which is the Divvy Out division. It gets them a really good conceptual understanding of what they're doing when they're doing division. So next, I will show you another method, which is called partial quotient.